I need to scream into the void about today. You know how school is basically a minefield for autistic brains? Multiply that by 100 when they force you into group projects. Our science class is doing this collaborative ecosystem model thing. Groups of 4, desks pushed together, everyone talking over each other. The second my teacher announced it, my chest tightened like someone was sitting on it. Group work means eye contact, unpredictable conversations, and noise, so much noise. The hum of the lights, pencils tapping, someone's gum popping, it all blurs into a drill in my skull. I tried to prepare. I wrote a script in my notes. Hi, I'm Name. Maybe we can divide tasks? But when I sat down, the girl next to me immediately said, "You're weirdly quiet, huh?" In this tone. Not mean, but curious. My brain short-circuited. I just stared at my hands, twisting my sweatband until the seams dug into my skin. Then came the worst part, overlapping voices. 2 kids debated which biome to pick while another scrolled TikTok. I wanted to suggest tidal pools. I've hyperfixated on marine biology for years, but my words evaporated. My legs started bouncing, fast. One guy noticed and smirked. "You gotta pee or something?" The table laughed. I laughed too, robotic and too loud, just to mimic them. Inside, I was dissolving. Lunch was worse. The cafeteria's smell, grease, syrup, bleach, made me nauseous. I hid in the library instead, headphones on, watching videos about octopuses. Their tentacles calm me the way they move, deliberate and graceful. I scribbled facts about mimic octopuses in my notebook until the bell rang. After school, I had a meltdown in my room. Flapping hands, rocking, the works. Mom knocked softly, left a bowl of buttered noodles, my safe food, outside the door. Later, she asked if I wanted to talk. I shook my head, but she said, "What if you email your teacher?" So I did. Typed a novel about sensory overload and how I work better alone. Hit send at 2 a.m. The next day, my teacher pulled me aside. "I had no idea it was that hard," she said. She let me build the model solo but present it to just her. I used clay to sculpt a tide pool, labeling each creature with tiny laminated tags. She called it brilliantly detailed. The group still thinks I'm weird. But one kid, who sits by the window, saw my project and said, "Octopuses are cooler than forests anyway." He didn't smile, but it felt human. I'm exhausted, but I survived. Sometimes I wish I could unzip my brain and let people see the storm inside the colors, the facts, the wanting to belong. Until then, I'll keep my headphones, my clay, and my 2 a.m. emails.